The event takes place ahead of the court hearing involving PRASA and Siyangena Technologies at the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein. In 2011, Siyangena Technologies was allegedly irregularly awarded a 500 million rand contract to install a security system at PRASA stations. This amount later ballooned to over 4 billion rand. The contract was concluded under the former PRASA CEO, Lucky Montana. It is alleged that Montana received benefits from Siyangena. Ngoyi says being a whistleblower in South Africa can have dire consequences.
Protection is I don't have protection. I've never had protection. There was an instance at PRASA where it was very clear that threats were made against the legal department, and it was said that we think that we are running the company. And when I raised that with the then group CEO, nothing was done. So effectively, by the grace of God, I survived. And also despite what the president has said in relation to the protection of whistleblowers, it is what it is, you know. And I think, having said that, I mean, I think at Babita's memorial, what I said is that some people have called whistleblowers whistle inhalers. They're mocking, you know, the work that has been done by whistleblowers. So no protection whatsoever.
Hashtag Unite Behind says they will also be in court on Friday.
What would have happened is PRASA would have settled like they're trying to do in Swifumble. They're trying to give Stadler Rail the contract back, not allow them to pay back the money. So we are going to court to ensure that the money is taken back.
South General Secretary Zwelinzima Vavi says the collapse of PRASA has had a huge impact on low and middle income earners' expenditure. Vavi also expressed his disappointment in the lack of protection for whistleblowers. He urged the public to offer their support to whistleblowers like Ngoyi.
Workers are crammed into the taxis. Taxis now ferry 80% of workers to and from work, something that is a new phenomenon. A combination of the fact that the taxis are more expensive, more unsafe, more unreliable, and with the current crisis of the petrol prices that have shot up incredibly, in particular since March this year, workers are spending no less than 36% of their meagre income on a taxi just to go to work.
Martha Ngoye says she is saddened by being labelled a whistleblower for merely doing her job. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.